Finding a walker that actually keeps you upright instead of tripping you up can feel like a total guessing game. But today, we are putting an end to that guesswork entirely. I have spent serious time getting hands-on with some of the most popular walkers out there to see how they handle tight corners, uneven pavements, and everything in between. I am going to walk you through 6 of these models right now, counting down to the absolute best one on the market. 6. Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Foldable Rollator Walker. When I first pulled this one out of the box, I was actually pretty impressed by the sleek look. It has this Euro-style design with the brake cables routed inside the frame, which means you aren't catching wires on doorknobs or furniture. That is a nice touch for walking around a cramped living room. But here's what matters when we actually put it to the test on the pavement. The wheels are large, which sounds great on paper, but I notice the steering feels a bit stiff. When you're trying to make a sharp turn or adjust your path quickly, it just takes more effort than it should. For someone with balance problems, you want the walker to glide with you, not fight your movements. Then we have to talk about the braking system. The handles are comfortable enough to grip, but the actual squeeze required to lock the brakes down feels a little stiff. If you have any arthritis in your hands along with your balance issues, you know that might become a real headache over time. It is not impossible to use, but it's certainly not effortless. The seat is another area where I felt a little let down. It's a sling-style seat, which is fine for a quick breather while you're waiting in line at the pharmacy. But if you actually need to sit and rest for 10 or 15 minutes because your legs feel unsteady, it just lacks the support you really need. 5. Medline Superlight Folding Aluminum Rollator Walker. Now, the biggest selling point of this model is right there in the name. It is incredibly light. When I picked it up to toss it into the trunk of a car, I could easily do it with one hand. If you struggle with lifting heavy objects, that is a massive point in its favor. However, let me explain why being super light is not always a good thing for balance. Because the frame lacks serious weight, I found that it can feel a little too easily pushed forward. If you stumble and suddenly put all your body weight onto the handles, the walker has a tendency to want to roll away from you faster than you might expect. It just lacks that grounded feeling you really want when you are feeling unsteady. The wheels on the Medline are also on the smaller side. They do perfectly fine on smooth hardwood floors or linoleum, but the second I took this out onto a cracked sidewalk or a gravel driveway, the vibrations went straight up through my arms. It catches on small pebbles and cracks, which can throw off your rhythm and actually make you feel less balanced. As for storage, it has a basic pouch under the seat. It's roomy enough for a wallet or a small purse, but getting to it means you have to flip the seat up entirely. If you have your hands full or you are feeling wobbly, trying to hold the seat open while digging for your keys is just frustrating. Number 4. Vive Mobility Lightweight Walker for Seniors. Now, this is where we start seeing a noticeable jump in how these devices actually support your daily movement. When I took the Vive out for a spin, the very first thing I noticed was how balanced the frame feels. It is still light enough to travel with, but it has a lower center of gravity that just feels much more secure. The folding mechanism on this one is also wonderfully simple. You just pull up on a strap on the seat and the whole thing collapses inward easily. I really appreciate this because, nobody wants to wrestle with a complicated metal frame in the middle of a grocery store parking lot. It folds down flat enough to slide right behind the passenger seat of most cars. Maneuverability is genuinely solid here too. The front wheels swivel nicely without feeling out of control. I tested it around tight grocery store aisles and it navigated the corners smoothly. It responds well to gentle pushes, so you don't have to muscle it around. That is exactly what you want when your balance is already demanding so much of your physical attention. The height adjustments are straightforward and secure. You can easily tweak the handle height so you're standing up straight instead of hunching over. Hunching is a terrible habit that a lot of poorly fitted walkers force you into, and it actually makes your balance worse. Getting the Vive dialed into my exact height took maybe 30 seconds, and the push buttons lock into place firmly. Number 3. VOCIC walkers for seniors. This is a brand that clearly spent time studying how people actually use these devices. The ergonomic design of the VOCIC really stood out the moment I gripped the handles. They are shaped to fit the natural curve of your hand, which relieves a ton of pressure from your wrists during a long walk. Here is what matters most about the VOCIC when it comes to balance. The frame is wide and incredibly stable. When I intentionally leaned heavily to one side, testing to see if it would tip, it stayed firmly planted. That kind of wide footprint gives you a massive confidence boost when you are walking across uneven grass or navigating a busy park. The seating arrangement is another huge win. Instead of a flimsy piece of fabric, you get a padded seat that actually feels like a chair. The backrest is thick and supportive, completely avoiding that digging sensation you get with thinner straps. I sat in this for a good 20 minutes while testing it, and I honestly felt perfectly comfortable just relaxing. Braking on this model is smooth and responsive. The dual braking system allows you to gently squeeze to slow down on a slope or push down to lock the wheels completely. The locking mechanism clicks securely, so you never have to second guess whether the walker is going to slide out from under you when you try to sit down. Taking the number 3 spot, the VOCIC is a fantastic piece of equipment. Number 2. RollisRoll walkers for seniors with seat. I am going to be honest, I absolutely loved testing this one. The structural integrity of the RollisRoll is just phenomenal. It uses a heavy-duty aluminum frame that feels like it could survive practically anything. There is zero rattle or shake when you push it, which translates directly to peace of mind for you. Let me explain why this one is so highly rated. It comes down to the wheels and the shock absorption. The tires are slightly larger and made of a material that naturally absorbs the bumps and jolts of the road. I took this over a brick pathway that usually rattles my teeth, and the RollisRoll just soaked it all up. Your arms and shoulders do not take the impact, which is incredible for your overall stamina. The storage situation is also brilliantly designed. It features a spacious zippered bag that sits securely at the front. You do not have to move the seat to access it, meaning you can grab your phone or a bottle of water while you're sitting down. It's those little thoughtful touches that elevate a mobility aid from just okay to genuinely great. I also have to praise how supportive the overall stance of this walker is. It encourages a natural, upright walking posture. You naturally step into the frame rather than pushing it far out ahead of you. This is crucial for balance, keeping your center of gravity right where it belongs over your feet. Helavo all-terrain walker rollator. Look, if you want the gold standard of stability, this is it. The moment I started testing the Helavo, it completely blew the competition out of the water. It is not just a walker, it feels like a high-end piece of off-road equipment designed specifically to keep you safe. The absolute game changer here is the all-terrain tires. These things are massive and fully pneumatic, meaning they are filled with air just like bicycle tires. I pushed this through thick grass, over gravel, and up unpaved dirt trails. It never once got stuck or felt jerky. The air tires absorb literally every bump, giving you a glide that is so smooth it almost feels like you are walking on a freshly paved track. Then there's the frame design. It is exceptionally well balanced. Even when navigating steep inclines, the Helavo keeps all 4 wheels firmly on the ground. You never get that terrifying feeling that the front end is going to lift up on you. For someone whose primary concern is falling, this level of grounded traction is absolutely priceless. Despite being an all-terrain beast, it folds up remarkably well. You would think something this stable would be clunky, but it collapses down tightly with a very smooth folding mechanism. You can still easily fit it into a standard car trunk without needing a second person to help you wrestle it into submission. The seat is wide, heavily padded, and offers a premium resting spot wherever you are. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.